Hello guys, welcome to vPro Tech. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you some interesting hacks which save your time while using YouTube. So let's go. Today we are going to download and install YouTube app in your desktop. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser. Log in your Chrome browser with your Google account. Now then go to Google Apps here. Select YouTube app. Now your YouTube will open in browser, but we want in our desktop. So for that, as soon as the page will load, you will find the download option in URL box like this. If you don't find it, don't worry, just go to three dots here. Now go to cast, save and share option. After that, click on install YouTube app. Now the new window will pop up prompting for installation. Just click on install button. As soon as you click, the app will open automatically. You can check your desktop, it will appear here. You can open it by clicking double click as a normal Windows app. As you can see, the YouTube app is working fine. You can enjoy your YouTube directly from your desktop without going to your browser. In future, further you no longer want this app, you can uninstall directly from here. Just click to three dots, select uninstall option. After that, it will remove from your desktop. So guys, this is the trick for the day. Hope this trick save you lots of time to access your YouTube. For such more contents, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.